you all? I hope all are good. So today we'll see. Okay, so in last session we have seen already, that is how to bind an event and what is function, what is event handling and all, right? Then even we have seen spread operator. So today we'll see what is destructuring. Okay, so destructuring is also very important when you are doing React applications and all, right? So today we'll see that only. So for that, what I will do, I'll create a fresh component. Okay, see, every time I create fresh component, because if I create fresh component, now you will get idea. Otherwise, if I do in that only, now you will get confused only. So every time I create fresh component. Okay, so I'll write here destructuring. Okay, okay, destructuring.js. I'll take like that the file name. Okay, so this is destructuring. Then what I will do now, I will create now my functional component. Okay, so here I'm creating FCE. okay, see, you can see here my functional component is ready now. Okay, so what is destructuring? See, for example, if you are passing from this, okay, from our main function, that is app.js. So for example, if you're passing something from here to in this component as a props. Okay, how you pass? We pass as a props. Okay, and sometimes how we take the values like props dot name, then props dot first name, props dot last name. So to remove that props dot whatever dot is there now, to remove that we use destructuring. Okay, that I'll show you how. Okay, so what I will do, I will import here this also, that is destructuring. So I'll import here destructuring. Okay, it is imported now. You can see here it is imported destructuring. Okay, so I'll move here, and what I will do, will pass here some things. Okay, so in destructuring as a prop I want to pass something. So what I will do, I will take like prop 1, then here I'm passing some value. I'll pass one value. I'll take name as value only. Okay, so I'm passing one value first. Right now I'll show for one, then later we'll see for others. Okay, so this is prop 1. Then next I'll go here in destructuring props. Okay, so normally what we do, we pass here a prop, and then we'll take here. Okay, we'll fetch here that prop. I'll show you. Okay, here I'll take that prop. Okay, where it is, oh, I have come in checkboxes. Okay, see, here I'm passing, then here I'm fetching that prop. Okay, here I'm fetching. Then what I'll do, I'll go here, then I will create one heading tag, then in that tag name, then here I'll take like prop, in curly braces it will come prop dot name. Here I'll take name, and here I will make this as name. Okay, this as name. So this name I'm passing as prop here, then here I'm taking, and here I'm printing. Okay, let's see what we will get. So reading name, cannot read property of undefined name. Okay, let's check what is the error. Okay, let me check here. I'm getting here error, right? So this error is coming because of, see, here I have taken here curly braces. This I have to remove. Okay, now you can see here the name is value. Okay, so here I'll change the name. I'll take the name as Infiscal. Okay, it is Infiscal. Then here you can see there is a Infiscal. Okay, so here every time what we need to do, props dot name. For example, suppose if I'm passing here, it is only one name is there. If I pass last name, first name, school name, college name, whatever I'm passing, then while taking here every time I have to take props dot, right? So to remove this props dot, we do destructuring. Okay, that we'll see now. Destructuring how we can. One more I'll show here. I'll take here last name also. Okay, I'll write welcome. Okay, I'll write welcome here. Then here I'll take, okay, already I'm taking here prop. Then what I will do here, props dot last name. You can see here in Fiscal welcome it is coming, right? Means it is working correct. I'm not telling it is not working, but simply why to take every time props dot, right? So to remove that, I'll tell you how to do destructuring. Okay, so same, we have passed name, last name. One more thing I'll pass, that is okay, I'll write college name. I will take MMEC. Okay, this is a college name I'm passing here, that is MMEC. Okay, this is our college name. Then I'll come in destructuring. So here, see, while doing destructuring, what we have to do, we need to take this in curly braces. I'll show you that how to take in curly braces. Earlier already I have taken, so I was getting that error, right? So here what I have to do, just take here curly braces and just take this name, whatever name we are providing here, that is name, last name. So I'm taking here name, then comma, here I write last name. Okay, then third one is what, college name, right? So I'm taking here college name, name, last name, college name, everything I have taken here. Okay, then next what we have to do here, just now you take, just you now you write name, only last name, no need to write props dot, again, and only college name. Okay, you can see now our output. You can see in Fiscal Belgium the same output I'm getting, right? But because of destructuring, I have done here destructuring, it is showing only like this I can use. Okay, means how I have done destructuring, I have taken a curly braces and all whatever I'm passing props, that props I'm taking here, and then only props I'm using here. Okay, you can do console also if you want. You can see here also in console.log, there also you can take this all the things. What I will do, I will copy and I'll paste here. Okay, so let's check in console. You can see here in Fiscal Belgium MMSC, everything it is coming, right? In Fiscal Belgium and MMSC. Okay, means it is working correct and fine. It is name, last name and college name. So like this you can do the destructuring. If there are more number you're passing and all from here, from main component to this component, then that time you can use like this destructuring. Okay, so I hope you got what is destructuring, and it is very easy. Okay, then also suppose if you have any questions and queries, then please in comment box, I will answer to that. And please guys, like, share and subscribe to our channel and keep supporting guys. Thank you so much everyone guys, keep supporting guys. Thank you.